You have two names?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name that would be on your proper, if you have a license, what would that name be? So we can identify you. What is it?
Candy.
Candy?
Yes.
What? Okay, I'm asking.
Since you was making fun of my name.
I'm trying to hear you. I can't hear you. Drop the attitude right now. Spell your last name.
House.
Spell your last name.
Common phone.
She matched the description, but her name? That's where things got suspicious. 2 identities, 0 cooperation. Let's see what happens.
Nice, wait right there. Wait right there. Police, we're just investigating a theft from Walmart. All right. So at this time, we're just detained until we figure out what's going on, okay? You matched the description. They said a female with gray sweatpants, gray sweatshirt. Okay? So the other officer speaking with them, do you know what I'm talking about? What happened? What may have happened? Are we going to speak? Okay. Do you have your ID on you? You have no ID? What's your name?
Oh, so I give my information.
You have to give your information. What's your name?
No, I don't.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, then you'll put your place under arrest for obstruction. What is your name? I'm not sitting here to play games.
Which one?
Which one what?
I have 2 names.
You have 2 names?
Yeah.
Okay. What is your name that would be on your proper, if you have a license, what would that name be? So we can identify you. What is it?
Candy.
Candy?
Yes.
What? Okay, I'm asking.
Since you was making fun of my name.
I'm trying to hear you. I can't hear you. You had your head turned that way.
Candy. C-A-N-D-I.
What is it? C-A-N?
C-A-N-D-I-E.
D-I-E? What's your last name?
House.
House?
Nice.
Drop the attitude right now. Spell your last name.
House.
Spell your last name.
Common phone.
I can't spell it. Please spell it.
That's how you want to. I don't know. It's gonna go. So.
What's your other name?
Diamond.
Diamond?
Yes.
What's the last name for Diamond? You spell it? Would that have the same date of birth, I would assume? But that one's not on any sort of
Yeah, we have a total.
I think he said he witnessed it.
Also, I thought they sent off to the officer.
No, I think he had
What's the initial for that?
Can't find anything?
No idea.
Do you have an ID? Have you ever had an ID? Oh, we'll find something. That's fine. If you tell us the right name,
I gave you both of my real names.
Yeah.
Pulling into 415 Boulevard on Yankee 80.
She didn't want to give ID right off the bat, so I'm assuming there's something to it.
Yeah, well, she said she used to have an ID, so.
Right. So I'm sure they can find something.
Did Shane head over to Jay or not?
Shane went over with Jay to see get a better description and with the pull away.
Where do you live?
Wayne.
Wayne? Are you bleeding up there? You got a little dried blood on your ear. Pretty dry. You waiting for a ride?
Huh?
Waiting for a ride?
I Ubered here.
Ubered? You waiting for an Uber right now? No. Did you take anything from Walmart? Yeah. Do you have it on you? Left at the door?
Clearly you're gonna arrest me, so why don't you just arrest me and take me to the county?
Well, we try not to take people to the county. I don't know how they do it over in Wayne. Have you been arrested before? Yeah, a lot or?
Same thing, shoplifting.
So it goes by your score, you know? Do you know that or no?
Yes, I'm getting arrested.
What's that? So we're gonna do our best not to take it to county. That was some township guy.
The D'Agostino?
Yeah, I think so.
They said witness?
No, the witness is with Jay, I think.
Okay, they were arrested, I would assume.
Sometimes they don't want to charge
Do me a favor, place your hands on your back. You can place under arrest. I'm sorry? This time you're placed under arrest for shoplifting. Walk around the side of my car.
321 Kilo 10 11 1158.
You have anything on you in any pockets here? You have no pockets, just the charger there. Mind if I grab that out real quick? I can have a seat there. It's a little tight, but like I said, it's a short ride.
I'm too short for this.
Watch here, I'll help you get in. Alright, at this time you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand the rights I just read to you? Okay.
What's your name? What's your name?
Yeah, playing the name games. Didn't you want to give ideas? Alright, well, place your hands on your back. Oh, so this is...
County checking 2583 your stop.
All good, thank you.
Appreciate it. 4159, go ahead.
I'll be transferring at 11 mileage 0672. What's he got going on up there?
Huh?
Keep calling or...
She's with another person.
Oh, okay. We'll get him off soon as we get inside. Wherever he went.
All the names and excuses didn't change the outcome, just delayed it. What did you think of this one? Let us know below and subscribe for more BodyCam videos.